All right, Char. I'm going to read you the story, but I want you to help me, okay?
Okay.
Show me the front of this book, Char. Good job. Okay.
That's the front.
Thank you. Okay. So I'll read the story. You help me. Show me where to start reading. Not with the pen. Yeah, just with your finger. Good. Show me where to. Okay, I'm gonna read it. I walked outside in the dark, but the moon was in the sky. I'm gonna flip the page. It's right here, Silver.
No, in
Okay.
orange.
Pages 4.
My sky.
Can you show me where to start in this page?
In a human world sky.
Where do you start in this page, Char?
Okay.
Good job.
On
Okay.
the eye.
You're right. Okay. Which way do I go? Which way do I read?
Left or right.
Good job. So where do I go after that? After here.
Next.
That's true, but then we have to go to the next line, right?
I
Yeah.
thought you meant like done all of it.
That's okay.
But that's
So
one
I'm going to
sentence.
read it, but I want you to point the words. Okay? I said, "Hi, moon," as I looked up, and he looked down. Okay. Let me make sure I'm on the right page. Show me the first part of the story. Good. Now show me the last part. Perfect.
Oh wait, on the story. Okay.
Oh no, I meant on this page. You were right the first time. Good job. Okay, so show me the bottom of the picture.
It's upside down.
Okay, will you show me where the bottom of the picture is?
Right here.
The picture.
The picture.
Where's the bottom of the
Right
picture?
here.
Where's?
I mean,
Yeah, that's the bottom of the page. But let's look at the picture. Where's the bottom of the picture?
right here. Right
Very good. No, up here, right? Okay, so now we're gonna turn the page.
No, but this is the bottom. That's the sky.
Yeah.
The-
Yeah, you're right. The
the-
picture is upside down.
Mm.
Ready for the next page?
What's the turn it
Oh,
that
you
way?
want to turn it? Okay.
What?
Where do I begin?
I don't even know. Yeah, I'll read it. Right here.
Good
On
job.
the eye.
Okay. All right. You can flip it back around if you want, and you want to point the words. I. Go slower. I ran around the trees, and the moon came too. Good. Okay. Next page.
He's ahead of you.
Okay.
He's going bye-bye.
Okay. So what's wrong with this?
Huh?
Let's read this. And the moon followed me. I ran up a little hill. What's wrong with this? I ran up a little hill, and the moon followed me. What's wrong with this page?
It's not worded right.
Why not?
I don't know.
I don't know. That's okay. Okay, we're gonna go to the next page. Can you flip it over for me?
That's my best. That's fun now.
Where do I start reading?
Right.
Good. Okay.
Right.
So what is wrong with this page?
I don't know. Oh, the words at the top.
Good. That's right. Okay. Suddenly, the had moon gone, and it was
What?
dark very.
What?
What's wrong with that?
That does not make sense at all. Who made this book?
I don't know. Did you?
No.
Let's
Whoever
go-
did it. Oh my. Practice on your reading more.
Okay, so now we're gonna look at this next page. Try to pick up the pen. We're almost done, buddy. Okay, so this one you need to look at. So, what's wrong with this page? Watch me read. The stars were twinkling, but the moon had gone. I stood in the dark and I looked at the sky. So what's wrong with this page?
Doesn't rhyme.
It doesn't have to rhyme. Not all stories rhyme. Let's look at the words. No? Nothing's wrong with the page?
I don't know.
You don't know? Do the next one. Okay, so what's wrong with the writing on this page?
Writing?
I waited and watched the stars and the clouds. Would the moon come back? Would it follow me home? What's wrong with this page?
It doesn't sound
Doesn't sound right. What doesn't sound right?
like it's all made like sense. It's all made like it kind of like it was close to rhyming, and then when one is at home, it doesn't really.
Good. Okay, what is this for?
Oh, I know.
What is
I know what the problem is.
What?
They didn't end with a vowel.
It didn't end with a vowel?
Yeah, all
What?
the other words didn't end with a vowel, but that one did.
It did. Okay, the other ones didn't.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What is this called?
Oh,
I'm sorry.
question mark?
Yes, that. What is the question mark for?
A question.
Good, very good. See? All right, we're gonna go to the next page. You ready to sit up, buddy?
Okay, that's done.
Yeah, good. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, this page.
Are you going to delete this video?
Ready?
Because I don't know.
Look, I only have 3 more minutes in this video before it turns off, so we have to finish this book before the video's over. Ready?
7 minutes?
Mhm.
7 minutes before it turns off? For 15 minutes.
This way. I said, please, moon, shine your light on the trees and the path to my house. What is this right here that my pencil's pointing to?
A period.
Good, what does that do? What's this for?
To stop a sentence.
Good. What is this called?
Comma.
Good. What's it for?
Listing stuff.
Wow, that's really smart. That's good. What is this called? This is called a quotation mark. What's a quotation mark used for?
Somebody's talking.
That's exactly right. Good. Okay. Okay, buddy. Find a letter like this.
What?
Like this one.
Capital?
What letter is this? Good. Can you find another P?
Capital P?
Any PB.
Depends on.
Oh, I see right there. Good. Okay, so now we're going to find a letter like this.
An M?
Mm-hmm.
There's no other M.
There you go. Good. Okay, now we're going to find a letter like this.
Doesn't have to start or that.
Nope, it just needs to. Oh, good. There's a few of them.
There.
Good job. Good.
There's 3.
All right, we are going to go to the next page, page 18.
This looks like my favorite.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
I saw moonlight on the path to my house. There were no clouds and the moon was in the sky again. Can you show me where was is? show me no.
No.
Good job. Okay, I have to get one thing out of my book bag, and then I'm going to do the last page.
I'll be done.
Almost.
The moon.
Okay, I have to get my 2 index cards out.
What are those, ciphers? Oh, no.
No, they're empty.
Thank God.
Okay. Okay, ready? The story says the moon followed me home. Can you show me where it says the moon followed me home? Okay, so I want you to push the cards across the story
As you read it.
like this until all you can see is just one letter. So you're going to push them until you can only see one letter, like that.
T. It's a T.
Okay, hold on 1 second.
It's a T. What, you can tell my mother how I did?
1 second, this way.
Oh no. I can see her.
Okay, now show me 2 letters. Can you show me 2 letters? Good. Can you show me just one word? Show me one word. Good. Show me 2 words. Great. Can you show me the first letter of a word? Sorry to cover that other side. Good. Now show me the last letter of a word. Do you want to cover the rest of the letters up?
This is hard. This is hard because they're not
It is a little bit hard. You're right.
They're not as big.
All
Just
right.
pictures.
The last one is, can you show me a capital letter?
That's so easy.
Okay, make sure you cover the rest.
Okay.
I don't see a capital letter. Oh, there it is. All right, buddy.